I am Walter. My YouTube channel is La Caja de Herramientas de Walter Álvarez. Search me on the YouTube. We appreciate the tools in action for this opportunity.
Dude, you guys, the Mexican TIA right there. Check it out. Thanks, brother.
Thanks.
All right, you guys, now we got Taylor who's doing levels. Obviously, we have something new here.
Yeah.
What do we got?
So we're really advancing with the Milwaukee digital level with pinpoint measurement technique. It's focused on accuracy, durability, and that user experience. So it's going to be the most accurate digital level in the market at 0.03 at 090 and 0.1 at all other angles. We're going to have a beefed up frame, IP65 rated, and a 4 times stronger display.
Okay, how much is it?
So depending on the size, so the 14-inch is going to be about $225, the 24 is $250, the 48 is $300, and 72 is $350.
Okay, and then how do they charge?
So it's actually ran on our red lithium USB battery platform.
Okay.
So you can actually pop that battery out, swap it out, or charge it directly into the product as you do your cell phone.
Okay, perfect. And what kind of runtime are you getting off that?
So you'll get 10 hours of continuous runtime, which is about a week of usability for a high-use user.
Okay.
And a couple of weeks for.
And then warranty? Did we talk about
3-year warranty?
3-year warranty on it, and then I guess that's about it, right? What else?
Yeah, I mean the biggest difference is in the display. So.
Right. I mean, yeah, that's like some kind of like Alexa-looking display.
It's a dynamic 360-degree high-res color screen. Follows you anywhere you go, so you don't have to crank your head to try.
And it never has to be calibrated.
Never has to be calibrated.
Wow. And what's the accuracy again?
0.03 and 090 and 0.1.
Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, what? Come on, your favorite. I thought I saw like a pretty lady walk past you. I was like, whoa, I was like, I gotta stick to business, man. Cool, good stuff, dude. Thanks a lot, brother. Appreciate it. All right, peace out. All right, you guys, Concrete Solutions from Milwaukee. We're just giving you a quick run through. It's a lot of their tools, SDS, dust management, HEPA, their new 9-inch grinder, which is really killing it. Their new backpack vacuum. Big, huge SDS happening over here. Over here, it looks like they have some lighting solutions, and I'm not seeing anything new yet. Over here, we have all their crimping and dye solutions, which is cool. Over here, we got Force Logic with the dyes. Cutters over here. Crimper with cutters. So obviously we've seen this tool before. They also have Bluetooth versions of these tools, so you can report back statistics, how the tool did, how tight the crimp was when it was crimped. Also has Emt Benders here. Everybody loves this thing, right? It's probably one of their most popular tools. Over here, now they're getting into Cat 5, low voltage stuff. Punch down tool. Looks like we've got some strippers, RJ45 crimper. I think I saw this stuff last year. So, got some small little tools here. Some screwdrivers. The Holdozer, you guys, are really pushing that this year. But one thing I've learned about this stuff is you really just got to test it for yourself on a job site. There's a Lennox blade, there's a Holdozer. I mean, I believe they're putting carbide on it now, which is definitely going to, carbide's going to definitely give it more runtime. You guys, this is their hand tool and electrical. So we got some bolt cutters rolling. We got some pliers, some sheathing knives or linesman knives, I guess they're called. The bucket box thing, bucket bags, lighting, all kinds of cool stuff. Pliers, looks like linesman, needle nose, pump pliers. I love these drill kits right here. Some of their 18-volt lineup. Look at this big cutter. Wow, that's a big cutter. Probably going to be able to do a lot more with that new battery happening. Lighting options. Obviously, this truck is not Milwaukee. If you come over here, boom, we got that little metal cutting circular saw. I love that thing. There's our new chainsaw, you guys. All kinds of different bits that hook up to things over here. big augers, dies, lights, pack out. They're probably going to be showing us some stuff with the hydraulic crimper over here, some more hydraulic crimping, and here's their latest and greatest. So there's like mostly the easiest way to crimp, the 12-ton utility crimper. So I'm assuming that they're going to be better than these models up here in quote-unquote these tests. And if you come over here, they have a little power line set up. Probably wouldn't touch that, but look at this thick cable. And this thing's gonna go through it and just cut it right up. It's gonna cut it right up. And then we come over here, we got some more force logic. Look at that.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.